Hey everybody, it's Mr. Perez again. I'm going to be teaching you guys a lesson or doing a review lesson with you guys about sequence and chronological order. Remember that sequence and chronological order are like the same thing. They're the order in which things go in a story. So our I can for today says I can put events from a story in chronological or sequential order, okay? So with that being said, I want you to pay very close attention today to this story. I'm going to read it to you aloud. You can go back and replay it as many times as you need, and you can read along with. That'd be great. And then afterwards, I have an activity for you to try to do. This is me doing this for the first time with this activity on Google Drawings. So just wait till the end. I'll show you how to do it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, everyone will be able to get onto this and do this and see how it works and all that good stuff. All right, with that being said, here we go. So our passage today is called Making a Gift for Mom. So your question is going to be asking you to put the events of how Tammy is making her gift for Mom in the correct order in which they go. So you have to pay very close attention, and whenever you do finish this and you are doing your Google Drawings to try to put all these events in order, you need to make sure you go back to this and make sure that you reread it and go and make sure all the events are in the correct order, because it won't make any sense if one event is out of order. Okay, so on the count of three, I'm going to start reading. So if you would like to whisper read with me, that would be great. And 1, 2, and 3. Making a gift for Mom. Tammy decided to make her mother a birthday gift. Her goal was to use recycled materials, and she had magazines and milk cartons to work with. She picked up a milk carton and studied it closely. I could use this to make a vase, she thought. I could cut off the top and paint it yellow to match our kitchen. She decided that the project would require about an hour to complete. She began looking through a magazine. What could I create using these colorful ads? She wondered. Suddenly, she had a great idea. First, she would look at the details on each page and tear out ads with red and purple colors, separating the pages by color. Then she would cut triangles from them to use for beads. She would roll the triangles tightly around a pencil, slip them off, and glue them closed. Finally, she would string the beads to make a brightly colored bracelet. Tammy thought her mother would like it better than the vase. However, she was concerned because she knew the bracelet would take more time than the vase to finish. Looking at her watch, Tammy said, "Fortunately, I have enough time." However, she wasted no time before gathering all the materials that she needed and started on the work for her mother's special gift. All right, so down here it says create a sequence/chronological order of events that show how Tammy created her mother's gift on the Google Drawings provided. So hopefully, if this works like it should, I'm going to show you how to do it. So after you read that a couple times and figure out the order, you will then have this lovely little sheet right here that shows you the chronological order of the story. It says chronological/sequential order of events in making a gift for Mom. Directions, click and drag into the correct order based on the story. Now notice I have 9 different events I have listed over here. They are not in the correct order. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to go in here and click onto these. You have to make sure when you do click onto these that you see how this is like a little cross with arrows basically. When it's like that, that's when you can click and drag it. So you can click it like that and then drag it to the right spot. So you'll put it beside which number it goes by. So 1 will be like the first thing that happened in the story. Number 9 will be the last thing, and these other numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, are all the things that happen in between. Now, notice, if you do not have the little cross with the arrows, and you go to click on it like this, it's going to allow you to type. You do not want to do that. You want to click off of it, and then go back until you hover over it until you get that cross with the arrows. That's the only way that you're going to be able to move these around. Okay? So I'm going to try to post this onto the Google Classroom for you guys to have a copy, so everybody will have their own separate copy. And I want you to try to go in here and complete this by putting them in the right order. All right, until next time, you guys, keep working with sequential order and chronological order, which are the same thing. All right, bye y'all.